Hey Heron, let's take this makeup off. This is the end of the day and I started by washing my hands. We are starting with a cleanse, so we're using Vaseline as a gentle and budget-friendly makeup remover. So you want to apply all of that and rub to kind of make sure all your makeup is off. Welcome to today's skincare journey for achieving that radiant, dewy glow. So, whether it's morning or night, maintaining a healthy skin is key. So, I love to do this double cleanse. I follow up with my personally formulated BARIATS anti-aging face soap, ensuring a thorough removal of all makeup. So I said double. I usually will do this twice. Yes. So we are on a night routine. After I wash my face, I tone it by applying yet again BARIATS Salicylic Toner to target clogged pores and refine skin texture. So, whether it's a morning or night routine, maintaining a healthy skin is key. And I'm here to share my simple yet effective routine with you. So sometimes I love to apply my toner in this format to press into my skin, and sometimes I love to introduce that to my hands, but I always introduce it to my neck. And do not forget to hydrate your lips also using lip balm. You leave that for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then next is a treat. We're indulging in this restorative properties of BARIATS Revive and Glow Serum. What does it do for you? It revives your skin, it gives you a glow. And if you're someone who has hyperpigmentations and fine lines, this will help to reduce that. How do you apply it? You apply basically, let's say, 3 drops. Make sure that all over your face has this gooey goodness. Be gentle, do not be in a hurry. So I am applying that all over my face and pressing it in like so. It is just the absolute best serum ever. I'll show you what I mean. Look at that. Look at that goodness. Rich goodness. Yes. Gives you a supple face and basically revives your skin. So after this, you want this to sit for another, say, 5 to 10 minutes. Then it is time to nourish. So we're going to nourish our skin. We seal in all the goodness with BARIATS Miracle in a Tube. Why do I call it a miracle in a tube? Because it combats blemishes, sunspots, and it takes care of acne. Yes, that is why it is called a miracle in a tube. So I usually will do this routine for my night, every night. Once in a while, I give my face a break and I don't do nothing. I just cleanse and I let the face breathe. I'm Roxanne Evelyn and I approve this method. Whatever you do to your face, remember your ears, remember your hairline, and remember your neck. Basically, my simple and yet effective routine. And it is time to go to bed. So it's time to go to bed. But before then, make sure to sit out for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Next is our morning routine. I usually will cleanse. Basically, I am rejuvenating the skin with a gentle cleanse using my trusty BARIATS anti-aging face soap. I didn't show in this video. After that, I follow with a toner. In the mornings, I like to use this method for my toner, which is rubbing all over my face using a cotton round. So what does toning do? It preps your skin for the day ahead. It is a salicylic toner, and then next, after say 5 to 7 minutes, we're hydrating our skin to ensure that moisture balance with our favorite moisturizer, the Miracle in a Tube. I don't even know what that was, but that's it. Remember, simplicity is key. I firmly believe that what you eat reflects on your skin too. Next is to protect. Don't forget the sunscreen to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. So, it reflects. Let's embark on this glowing journey together. I would like to hear your story. That's all I have for you. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I love you. Subscribe.